Hi, my name's Jason Lawson from Australian Golf Divers TV. Today I'd like to introduce you to the MySwing Force Plate. Now, what I'd ideally like you to do is to understand at address we have the pressure from toe to heel on both feet, and you'll find that the pressure moves from right to left. Now, you'll find from this position too that people really think that when they're swinging the golf club they shift a lot of weight. They're actually shifting a lot of pressure from lead foot to trail foot. So my point is that when you set up at address, for an iron I'd like 55% of your pressure on the middle of your left foot and 45 on your right. With a driver or a wood, 50-50. So what I'd like to do is introduce yourself that swinging the club back to the top, because any interaction with the ground is reflected with the club. From this point here, if I wanted to change the club's direction and I put pressure from my right heel to the ball of my left foot, the club is going to come more from an inside path. Then if I go to the top again and I put the pressure from the ball of my right foot into my left heel, the club's going to come from a different direction. So I really feel the more I can allow you to understand from the top of the swing, which the better player needs to have, or the average player out there, is to drive from the right foot into the middle of the lead foot to a finished position. It will really allow you to create centers of contact. Now, you'll find with this position, if I want to load into my right heel, the pressure is about 80% and 20% on my left foot. Now, what actually happens from this position, if I change the position coming down where I push more from my right heel to the ball of my left foot, and at impact I want 80-20, so I want 80 on my left foot and 20 on my right, that will give me a natural draw shot. Now from this position here, if I go back to top again and I start and I put 80% pressure more towards my left heel, and off my right heel, you'll start to see that the club will come more across, will give me more of a fade. So I'll demonstrate the draw shot here. So we go from this point here. This will allow me to get the pressure from my right heel into the ball of my foot, into the finished position. This will allow you to shape the ball how you would like.